I took it back and got another one free of charge. I bought my son a fridge for Christmas. I can't wait to see his face light up when he opens it up. You asked for them, not me. Right. I think we should say some thank yous. So, thank you very much to Workington Town Council for organising the event today. Washington Square Centres who sponsored it. We've got Iggesund who provided trees. We've got Dover's Charitable Trust, they helped out. HMV did all the entertainment. Now then, I'd like to welcome onto stage the Mayor of Workington, Councillor Denise Rollo, and her Christmas elf helpers, David Farrer and Jonathan Derby Starr. Now with the Mayor are Harry Chapman. Who's Harry? Harry, give us a wave. Hi Harry.
I need to get to my mum.
Elliot. Hello Elliot. And we've got Erin Grace Pearson and Isabella Harrison-Jones. And they're the winners and runners-up of the Christmas card competition, so I think we should all give them a big round of applause. And the winner was Harry. Harry, what did you draw a picture of? Can you tell me? Harry has forgotten what he drew, but it doesn't matter because it won. Could be anything. Okay. So generally, we had a big lever in years gone by, but we've gone digital now. We have a button, and this button controls all the lights at Workington. But it doesn't work unless you guys all press it. Not yet. Not yet. Wait for it. It's wireless. So, but it also doesn't work unless you lot help out. And there is a traditional way in which we all do this. It's called a countdown. And when we're ready, we're going to count down from 10 and I'll set you off. And then we'll put the lights on together. Let's hope that the wireless button works. Christmas magic is sprinkled on it, I know that. So are we ready? Workington, you are ready. I said, are you ready? Blimey, you are. Brilliant. Okay. What? Well, we're not that ready then. No. She just said not yet. I haven't got any more jokes. Has anybody else got any Christmas jokes? I mean, I wanted to go to Lapland, but my wife said the weather's too bad. I said, why? She said, there's all the reindeer. I was going to bid for Rudolph and Blitzen on eBay, but they were too dear.
Okay, you need a boot. Yeah, no.
Father Christmas went to hospital because of his bad health. Ready, ready. You don't get it? Someone here didn't get one of those jokes, everyone. I know it's disappointing. I've been heckled all afternoon, everyone. The average age of the heckler has been under 10. How do you deal with that? I went for the Jimmy Carr approach to start with. It didn't go down very well. I don't get any of my jokes either. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready now. It was the wireless dropped out for a minute now as the 5G went, but now we're okay. So, are we ready for the countdown? Here we go. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press it. And we've got the photos from the Townsend stand. You'll all be looking next week. Have an eye on it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming out in such fantastic numbers with this light switch on. We had a nightmare with the weather and then it sort of stayed okay today. So it's been lovely having you here. Have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.